Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Hannah. She's coming for a redesign. So I have already done the prep work on her natural nails and applied my clear acrylic, and I'm now going in with application. So here I'm using CJP's Apple Shine. Haven't used this in a long time and I forgot how gorgeous is it. Here we go. How gorgeous it is. So now I'm picking up Slush Fairy and I'm just going to blend these two together. Slush Fairy is my new fave. If you've watched my previous video, you'll see how amazing it is to apply. And I'm using my CJP Big Boy brush. So I'm kind of keeping them nice and thin because I am going to cap all the nails. So then onto the ring finger. Again, I'm just using Apple Shine and I'm going to use Amor instead of Slush Fairy this time. And I'm going to just blend the two together. So on the pointer finger, again, I'm just going to do the same as what we did on the ring finger, and then I move straight onto the thumb, and that will just be a full nail of Amor. and the middle finger is just going to be a full nail of Slush Fairy. So on Hannah's nails, Hannah has quite white, well, because she has a tapered square nail, when her nails grow, they're quite wide, and so so when they naturally grow, obviously they come out at the side. You can probably see it on the little side there. Obviously the angle of the camera is making it about 1,000 times worse, but anyway, you can see that obviously because we taper them in, when they do grow, they grow their normal shape, which is wider than a tapered square, so that will always show. So you'll see further on in the video, I just use my file to remove that. So don't worry, because I know people will be like, girl, you can see the nail. But don't worry, it all gets resolved in the end. Plus, this is another one of my partner's cousins, Hannah. So, you know, I don't really care what they look like. She'll probably watch this. I'm joking, by the way. She'll probably watch this and be like, you cow. I'm joking, Hannah. Your nails always look fine. But moving on, now I'm going to cap all the nails, and I've switched my brush to the Glitter Planet size 14 magic stick. It's just much bigger, and I love to cap all the nails in this brush. So I'm just kind of capping them quite thinly. Is that a word, thinly? It's a name, ain't it? Thinly. I'm kind of capping them thin rather than thick, because they are on the thicker side anyway, but I just like to cap. It's just something that I enjoy doing. So yeah, I'm just going to cap all these nails. So then once everything's set, here I'm just filing the side walls. I then come in with my e-file and I'll, you know, do my normal filing routine. So concentrate on the cuticle area and just even the rest of the nail out. I love filing, and I love this bit. I can't remember where I got it from. It probably would have just been from Amazon, because I do get most of my drill bits from Amazon. But I didn't like it at first because it used to vibrate, but then I realised that was because it was my old drill and it was a really horrible drill and everything used to vibrate, to be fair, until I found the Saeyang K35, and honestly, it's amazing. If you don't have it, go and get it. It is thebomb.com. So then midway through here, I noticed how massive that was. So I just come in and I kind of file upwards and it'll just remove it for me. And then I carry on doing this, and then at the end you'll see me come in with my hand file again and just go onto the sides and just correct those and remove any of those wide nails that she's got. Usually Hannah has a fresh set every time. She's one of these girls, she's like, she leaves them on for 5-6 weeks, takes them off, then comes in for a fresh set because she wants a different shape, different length, different design. But this has been her 3rd infill, so I'm pretty impressed with her. So her nails are growing slowly. But yeah, that's why we're noticing this wide nail coming up. So then I buffed her nails lovely and smooth, and she went and gave them a good scrub. So now I'm applying some crystals. These pink AB crystals are honestly to die for. I got them from AliExpress. This whole pot of crystals here is from AliExpress. So I'm just applying some randomly over the nails. Actually, this set was inspired by somebody. Hannah brought the picture in, and I don't know, there was no name on it, and she don't know where she got them from, so I can't credit anybody for them, so I apologise for that. I did kind of switch them up and put my own little style on them. The crystals were a lot different, and there was more glitter and stuff like that. So I did also forget to hit record because this set is Hannah's nails, and my partner was here, and that is his cousin, so he likes to chat to these girls and he likes to wind them up a little bit, so it kind of throws me off a bit sometimes. So I did forget to hit record, the best part. But anyway, I do leave a clip at the end to show you the other hand because it was a little bit different. I think it's coming up now here. So yeah, that is the final result. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.